In Hebrews, we're admonished to not forsake the assembling of ourselves together. And that verse is usually held up in Christian culture as a reason why we need to be in church, we need to stay in church. But this is shallow and not even close to what the original intent of that verse means. What does the original intent of that verse mean? It means that as those who have put our lives in Christ, and Christ is in us, and He's our life, which is a very real spiritual transformation that takes place. It's not just mental assent. It's not just deciding to follow Jesus' teachings in the Bible. We're meant to be part of each other's lives all the time because we're a body, and bodies don't dismember certain pieces for 6 days, 6.75 days, and then come together for 0.25 days. Bodies are together and they're part of each other all the time. So this admonition to go to church on Sunday morning is just, it's so vast and far from what the original intent of that verse really is. We are members of one another, Paul says. And he elaborates on it in several different places. That's what that verse is talking about. These days it has been reduced often, I won't say mostly, I'll say often, to you go to church in order to have your mind conditioned to prevailing mindsets in Christian culture. And if you stay within those prevailing mindsets, you're considered to be safe. Is this what Christ is? Is this life in Christ? No. Life in Christ is living in Him, with Him, in love with Him, knowing Him, being born again of Him. I've been crucified with Christ. It's no longer I who live, but it's Christ who lives in me. And you too. And you, and you, and you, and all these people. And we're together always, for all of time and eternity. And we live like that. This is much, that's what it means. It's not just going to church on Sunday mornings so that you can think like everybody else thinks. Thanks and have a nice day.